I think we have a lot of opportunity placing Panama as a MICE destination and get more MICE business in the upcoming years.
Can you tell me your name, and also the information about your company?
Okay, my name is Jose Duran, Commercial Director for Sheraton Grand Panama and Aloft Panama.
Can you also tell me how are you feeling at IMEX Frankfurt in 2026?
I'm feeling great. It's been so far a very good journey and a lot of business today.
What brings your organization to IMEX Frankfurt in this year?
Well, we're promoting obviously our two brands of hotels that we manage in Panama, and also communicating that we are renovating Sheraton Grand Panama for 2026, and hopefully it will be ready by the end of the next year.
Can you tell me what are your main goals for partnership in this year?
Well, our main goal is to increase what we did last year. So every year we want to increase more sales or get more leads and make more business.
From which country do you want to see more clients?
From Europe, also from the US as well, South America.
Can you also tell me what key trends are you currently seeing in the travel and tourism industry?
Well, I think first, wellness is a trend. I think the world is going towards that direction, and also sustainability. That's definitely a trend.
Can you also tell me how's your brand or company adapting to changing travel or event partner expectations?
Well, we're focusing on details in order to provide experiences for our clients.
Can you also tell me what kind of opportunities do you see for growth in coming year?
I think we have a lot of opportunity placing Panama as a MICE destination and get more MICE business in the upcoming years.
And also, can you tell me about your plans for this year?
Well, our plans are focused on renovation, basically, as I mentioned before, and on obtaining more MICE business from the US and Europe.